upwind and right close traffic, wind 280 at 10, runway 29er right. Correction, wind 280 at 17, runway 29er right, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 29er right, 9 Lima Papa.
November 64 Yankee, turn base, runway 29er right, clear touch and go.
Yeah, and as we roll past, lights.
Lights, camera,
right. Clear touch and go
action.
For 164 Yankee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Torrance Tower helicopter 703 Juliet at JJ requested nose departure with the Quebec.
Helicopter JJ standby. And Cessna 3 off whiskey, number 2 following sling at your 12 o'clock 1 mile on the right base, running 29er right.
Airspeed alive.
Number 2,
Rotate.
29er right, clear to land, 3 off whiskey.
A little bit of right rudder. Yeah. Keep the nose on the horizon. Good.
Torrance Tower, helicopter 62 Lima Hotel at Hermosa Beach Pier. We'd like a South Shoreline transition and continue to fly around Palos Verdes Point.
Counter 62 Lima Hotel, Torrance Operator, request Torrance altimeter 3000.
3000 to Lima Hotel, thank you, sir.
Helicopter 3 Juliet, say your request again, please.
Helicopter 3 Juliet requested nose departure.
Helicopter 3 Juliet, roger, cross taxiway Alpha and fly straight out, runway 29er left,
So
cleared for takeoff.
Start, we got to start turning crosswind before Hawthorne.
Okay. For takeoff, 3
A little bit of right rudder.
3 Juliet, verify information, Quebec, please.
That nose up.
Quebec, 3 Juliet.
Thank you. Sling 6 for Yankee, be advised, traffic departing south runway, red helicopter. They're going to be turning.
Now we're getting us pointed towards downtown. Good, lift the wing up. Now keep turning.
Looking out, 6 for Yankee.
November 657, your number 3, following a Cessna on a 2-mile right base, the final turn, 1000 indicated. Number 3, runway 29er right, clear touch and go.
And holding 1100.
29 right, clear touch and go, 657.
1100.
Okay.
Captain 3 Juliet,
Yeah, just paralleling the runway.
Start your northbound turn.
So keep turning. We're not quite parallel yet. That looks better.
You are in the pattern, correct?
Confirm.
Thank you. Wind 280 at 18. Captain 2 Lima Hotel, I may lose you before you end up over Rat Beach, so just over Rat Beach, your frequency change is approved. Have a good flight.
Thank you, sir. I'll be coming back in, calling you at the Vincent St. Thomas Bridge for inbound to JJ parking.
I'm going to decrease the speed.
Lima Hotel, understood, thank you.
1500.
Sir.
So we haven't been cleared for anything, right?
I see.
And we've got traffic ahead of us, so keep us this way because we're flying too close to the airport. Aim for the left side of that lake there.
Cessna 9 Lima Papa, you're following Cessna at your 12 o'clock on the downwind, 1100 indicated, turning base. Do you have in sight?
Traffic in sight.
Traffic inside, 9 Lima Papa.
Cessna 9 Lima Papa, follow that traffic. Number 3, running 29 right, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 9 Lima Papa, 29 right.
Good.
Captain 3 Julie, are you headed to Hawthorne or north through the corridor for helicopters?
I'm going to Sampoba and also I'll contact the force. I'm clearing to the north, request the frequency change.
Captain 3 Julie, roger, frequency change approved, good flight.
Thank you very much, 3 Julie.
So we don't want to start descending or anything yet, right? We're still a ways from the airport. And then so there's our traffic. So as he passes, count 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, and then you can start turning base behind him.
Okay.
Keep our altitude up.
So I don't need to contact the tower, right?
Nope, nope.
Give us clearance.
He already cleared us for touch and go. Now start looking out this little window for the runway.
November 3 Golf Whiskey going back to the runway.
Affirmative, 3 Golf Whiskey.
November 3 Golf Whiskey, roger, runway 29 right, taxi via Hotel Alpha Juliet.
Taxi via Hotel Alpha Juliet to 29 right, 3 Golf Whiskey.
Nice, good. So we're a little low. It'll bring us back up. We've got a lot of speed too. So start bringing the power back because we don't want to maintain altitude anymore, right? We're going to start descending slowly. Even more. Let's put flaps to 10 because we've got to slow down.
Yankee number 3 following Cessna 1 mile final, running 29 right, clear touch and go.
Number 3, clear touch and go. 29 right.
Keep that nose up. Let's go flaps to 20 so we can slow down more because they still haven't landed. Let's go flaps full. Now we're looking to bring the speed back to about 65 is what we're looking for. Oh, were they full stop? Oh, no. So bringing it back to 65 knots is what we're looking for. And if you feel like we're getting low, just bump a little power in. Nice.
Wind 270 at 19er.
Torrance Tower, Skyhawk 753 Golf Whiskey.
Bring that power out, you've got it made. Start pulling, good. So level us off right here, good. Now keep pulling. Keep pulling, good. See, we just want to fly right above the runway for as long as we can. Little crooked and full power. And there's 55 and rotate. Keep us straight down the runway, even on the roll.
Whiskey number 3 following that traffic, running 29 right, running 29 right, clear to land, number 3.
Number 3, 29 right, clear to land, 3 Golf Whiskey.
November, correction, cap flight 465, running 29 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 29 left, cap 465.
Cap flight 465 traffic just ahead and to your left or off your left, helicopter 700 indicated northwest bound. They'll be following you inbound.
Looking for the traffic, cap 465, clear to land.
Captain 62 Lima Hotel, Torrance Tower.
A little bit.
Yes,
you fixed it.
Lima Hotel's at the Vincent St. Thomas Bridge. We'd like to inbound to JJ parking with Quebec.
So now we're high.
Helicopter 62 Lima Hotel, roger. Traffic just above you is a cap, red and white and blue Cessna. Slow to follow them, you'll be number 2.
We're looking for about 60 knots here, right?
Approved, running 29 left.
65 knots, sorry.
All right, number 2 behind the Cessna. We're looking for them to Lima Hotel.
62 Lima Hotel, just off your left now. They passed above you, 1,600 indicated.
We got them now. Thank you, sir.
Number 2 Lima Hotel, roger.
Good. Pull the power out. A little bit of right rudder.
Number 2 Lima Hotel traffic.
Good. Pull.
2 miles. We'll be
Pull.
Good.
Hold. Pull. Look at that. A little flat, but that's okay.
And then proceed to JJ parking.
And full power.
November 2 Lima Hotel, roger. I was
Nice one.
advising on the traffic on the right base now, 1,100
And 55.
just ahead and your right.
Make sure you keep us straight down, even on the roll.
As well. Thank you, sir.
A little bit of right rudder.
465 traffic off your right on the right base, 1,100 indicated Cessna for the north runway.
Too low. I mean, my seat is too low.
Traffic 12
A little bit.
1,400
Need
indicated
2 more
for the
pillows
south
again
runway.
next time.
Take a site, 3 Golf Whiskey.
Torrance Tower, Skyhawk 23673 over the Vincent Thomas Bridge at... Holding short of 29 right, requesting a right downwind departure.
flying Torrance Tower, standby.
Not yet, we're not quite in the white arc yet, we're still a little quick.
Torrance Tower, Bonanza, 4698 Romeo.
There you go.
RNAV, full stop.
There you go, now you're in the white arc.
Torrance Tower, Roger, continue amount runway 29 right and reduce final approach speed.
No, you're okay.
You okay?
Yeah, you're okay.
I
I think you're going to need power, actually.
Turn base now, runway 29 right, clear, touch and go.
Turning base.
Alright, so you got an notch of flaps, right? Watch the speed.
One more? Left.
Yep, yeah, because we got to slow down, right? We're going too fast. There's 65. Now hold 65. A little bit of right rudder to keep us straight. Let the nose come down. Bump of power, because see, we're still pretty short. We can't land until those bars.
Traffic, 12 o'clock. Same altitude, 0 miles.
Good afternoon. Cessna
Good.
9863
Pull.
Bravo.
Pull. Good. Pull. More pull. More pull.
Number 673, turn left, echo, contact ground, good day.
So really, you got to really, it's a little more than that.
1,300 indicated.
That's 555, rotate.
Runway sling.
I have them in sight, code 687.
Good.
Sling,
Good job keeping us straight that time.
Just ahead, 1,000 indicated is a Cub. They're below you, and for the south runway on the straight in.
Looking, 6 Yankee.
6 Yankee, just straighten out a little bit, and then you can continue descent. Maintain at or above your present altitude for now. Do you have them behind and to your left?
Still looking, 6 Yankee.
6 Yankee, they have you in sight. You can continue descent.
6 Yankee, thanks.
Torrance Tower, Cessna 5218, Foxtrot inbound on the ILS.
863 Sierra Lima, straight out departure approved. Wind 280 no delay. Runway 29 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 29 left, that's for
Bring that
862
speed back.
Sierra Lima.
Number 862 Sierra Lima, Torrance Tower, Roger, straight out departure approved.
And trim if you need to.
Thank you, no delay.
The trim to hold 70.
Number 60 uniform, you're following a fast-moving Bonanza, 3½ mile final, 130 knots.
Watch the speed, don't let it come up. Yeah, 70.
Number 903 Kilo, you're following a Cessna on a 1 mile final. They're 80 knots. Can you reduce any further with the speed?
Now let's hold 65 knots.
Thank you.
And Tower Bonanza, 3 Delta Sierra, you want me to hold short 29 left?
Number 3 Delta Sierra, affirmative. Hold short, running 29 left. Thank you.
Roger.
Traffic, 12 o'clock. Low, less than 1 mile.
Bring it back to 65 knots.
One more read back. Hold short, running 29 left with the call sign.
Sorry about that, Bonanza, 3 Delta Sierra, holding short, runway 29 left. Head call.
Thank you.
And let's go flaps to full.
Fling 2 Sierra Lima, the Dutchess ahead and to your right is going to be turning southwestbound. Can you follow them?
We
Do
can
we stay on the runway? Let's hold 65,
Number 2 Sierra
just a
Lima,
little bit of
thank you.
power.
Follow them, then they're going to be turning southwestbound. I have an IFR Pilatus departing the north
A
runway.
little more power. Power.
We will stay southbound 2 Sierra Lima, we'll follow the Dutch.
More power. Get us over on the runway.
Number 6 uniform, traffic you're following is behind and to your left.
Good. Now let the nose come over a little bit. Hold 65. Get us straight with the rudder. More power.
Turning base, clear land 29 left.
Good. Now back off that power. Let the nose come down, because see, we're real slow. Get power all the way out.
Tower 6 formation.
Good.
Touch and goes.
So, pull.
Who's asking for
Pull. Okay, hold here. Pull. Pull. Just gotta pull.
The full stop taxi back, and then I'll get you for touch and goes after that.
So pull
Traffic,
meaning like
2
that.
o'clock.
All right, and we'll get off at Echo up there.
Okay. Yeah, we'll make it a full stop. 605.
9 Lima Pop, turn left, taxiway Foxtrot and contact ground if able. If not, continue no delay to Echo.
No delay, Echo ground. Good enough, an Echo here.
Cessna 60 uniform traffic ahead and your right on a 2 mile final, 1,400 indicated for the north runway.
What's traffic? 60 uniform.
And sling 2 Sierra Lima, start a left turn 20 degrees.
All right.
Left 20 Sierra Lima.
That was a lot.